Are you teaching high school or middle school culinary arts and need some fun food lab challenges for your class? Check out our challenges. Number 1, the mac and cheese challenge. Give students 1 box of mac and cheese and have them create their own gourmet mac and cheese with a variety of ingredients. The gourmet ramen challenge. Students will practice their knife skills as they create a gourmet ramen dish with 1 pack of ramen and a variety of ingredients. The potato project. Give students 2 potatoes and have them practice cooking methods as they choose their favorite dish to make. The grilled cheese challenge. Allow students to make a gourmet grilled cheese. They can either enter into a competition to see which one tastes the best, or it can just be for fun. Now for something sweet. A brownie challenge allows students to come up with a gourmet dessert. Give them 1 box of brownies and let the magic happen. We can make it a lot easier for you to set these up, as we have all the materials needed for the food lab challenges and more food labs on our website, www.twinsandteaching.com.